Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just Instagram not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. So after, you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to remove your app, just tap on it, just tap on remove app, and after just go to App Store, just go to search tab, and in the search tab you just need to write Instagram. And here just tap on get button and wait until it will successfully download and install Instagram on your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.